We're covering the camera. Hi guys, it's Skiddy back again. Today, right now, we are building our nature fort. And it's Panda Bro right over here. Say hi.
Hi!
Hi! Oh yeah, and this is Felicity over here. Hi! Okay, we are going to be building our nature fort today. Basically just a fort. Let's go. Sorry. I'm just trying to help. Pull it up. I got the bottom. Whoa! Here, I'll open up the gate. Right now we're getting parts of our fort. Don't destroy our thing.
We won't.
And we'll also, I'm gonna make a sign that says our name of the fort, okay, Panda Bro? Here, I'm gonna get, Panda Bro. Here, I'll take it. You do the camera to show them the rest of the stuff.
Okay, it's Panda Bro here. I'm gonna go show you all our pieces. Here are some. Here's two small ones and then a big giant one. I'm gonna hold you back to show you the rest, then I'm gonna make a paper for them, okay? Skiddy! Skiddy! I'll make the paper! Here, I'm going now. Hold on. Sorry if it's a little bit too dizzy. Okay. We're only taking the cardboard pieces, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and sign. Here I am. Hold on, guys. I'm here. Don't close the video yet. Here, I'm gonna head back to the rest of the people, your fellow YouTubers.
Hello, it's me, Alien Guy. Hello, fellow Earthlings. We will abduct you in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, beep.
Just kidding, it's me here, Panda Bro. I'm waiting for the rest of them, okay? But this is what I've got down. Whoop whoop, kitty face. Hold on, they'll be right back. Get back here! They're heading right back now. Skiddy, come on. I made the paper already. Okay, they're back there now. So we're gonna start making our fort.
It was paused.
No.
It's Skiddy once again. I will be back once we are finished. About 3, 2, 1. This is the main part of the fort. It's me, Skiddy, and this is the main part of the fort. Come out. What?
Back here.
Oh, fine. Flip it this way. It won't fit through the door. That's why I'm trying to flip it over like this. Yeah. Okay. Flip. 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 Rock. We'll be right back.
Hey guys, it's Panda Bro here. Under my best alien voice. Hello, fellow Earthlings. Subscribe and do a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, if you really like this, then try this at home.
Just leave a comment that says Nature Crew, and hold on, I'm waiting for Skidity. Here, I'll finish what I'm saying. Leave a comment leave a comment below. Sorry. Leave a comment below. Say Nature Crew, and we'll make more videos. And if you comment, then we'll try to make a video on your fort, and we'll call the fort your name. Okay? Bye. I'm gonna pause. Okay? We'll see you in a sec. We'll see you in a second.
Hey guys, this is the finished fort. I'm gonna do a tour. This is our fort. Oh wait, that's the camera. Panda Bro's leaving it right now, but I'll show you the fort. Anyways, this is the inside. We got that. The viewing sister doesn't stay up that often. Right, Panda Bro?
Yes. But whenever it does, we open it up like that.
Yeah.
Hey, how come your fort doesn't have any windows?
It has one in the front. Yeah.
Maybe you should put a little peephole out the back.
Good.